Are you planning to visit Japan soon? And naghahanap ka ng mga must-visit places sa Osaka, Kyoto at Nara? Saan nga ba pwede mag-food trip, mag-photo op, at ma-feel ang real Japan vibes? Well, I got you. In this vlog, I'll take you to 10 must-visit places and I'll tell you exactly why hindi pwedeng hindi mo sila puntahan. Okay, let's go. Una sa listahan ang Dotonbori. This place is iconic. From the neon lights to street food galore, dito mo mararanasan ang real Osaka nightlife. Perfecto for food trips and shopping. Don't forget to try din dito ang Tombori River Cruise, kung saan sasakay kayo ng boat at makikita ang mga famous landmarks dito. Bonus tip, best gawin to at night para glowing lahat ng lights sa paligid. Nag-avail kami ng ticket using the Osaka Amazing Pass. You can book that sa Klook and use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon ka ng discount. Second to the list, ang Osaka Castle. Hindi lang siya Instagrammable. It's a piece of Japanese history. It tells the story of Osaka's samurai past. Plus, the park is super relaxing. Next, syempre, ang Universal Studios Japan. Sino dito ang mahilig sa rides? If yes, USJ is the place to be. Must visit to dahil sa Super Nintendo World at Wizarding World of Harry Potter. You get to live your movie dreams. Next ay ang Umeda Sky Building. One word would be breathtaking. It gives you a 360 degrees panoramic view of Osaka. This is also a best spot for sunset lovers. Let's go retro naman sa Chutenkaku Tower. Old meets new sa vibes ng lugar na to. Must visit to because it's the symbol of Osaka's old downtown. Plus, ang ganda ba ng view dito sa may tower? From Osaka, day trip naman tayo sa Nara Park, kung saan madami kang makikitang deer sa paligid. You can feed and interact with the deer. Super cute and memorable ng experience na to. Pagkatapos sa Nara Park, shopping muna tayo sa Nara Sanjo Shopping Street. It's a mix of traditional and modern finds. Perfect for pasalubong. Next ay ang Kiyomizu-dera Temple sa Kyoto. This temple has an epic wooden stage overlooking the city. Must visit to dahil it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Perfect for peace and reflection. Next up ay ang iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine, kung saan makakakita ka ng thousands of red torii gates. And finally, the last one, ang Yasaka Pagoda. Must visit to dahil it gives you that old Japan postcard perfect vibe. Perfect place din to para mag-rent ng kimono. Para less hassle, pwede ka mag-book sa Klook in advance. Search nyo lang sa Klook app ang kimono rental by Canwa and don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon ka ng discounts. And that's it for my top 10 must-visit places in Osaka, Japan. And another bonus tip, pag mag-book kayo ng mga hotels, activities sa Klook app, gamitin nyo lang yung Klook code ko na KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon kayo dyan ng discounts. Or pwede nyo ring isearch ang creator shop ko sa Klook app by typing KATIP. At may mga exclusive discounts dyan na pwede nyo i-redeem para makatipid kayo sa next travel nyo. So itag nyo na ang travel buddy nyo at kulayan na ang drawing. Ayun lang, and I hope nakatulong yung video na to. And follow me for more travel tips and adventures. Ayun lang, babush!